Welcome to You Are Hired. Today we will discuss typing. Typing test is something you cannot skip during your application in the call center. In this video, I will discuss the acceptable typing speed for call center applicants, identify the best typing site where you can practice, and we will also practice typing. Hi, my name is Harry, BPO employee for more than 15 years and helped over 5,000 employees to land their dream job. Why typing is important? The simple answer is the faster you type, the more work you can complete and the more customers you can assist. And what is the acceptable typing speed? It's actually 35 word per minute. The site where you can practice is www.typingtest.com. Our goal is to hit 35 word per minute or higher, so let's go.